Hey guys, welcome back to Yes or No Item Reviews. My name is Omar. In this episode, we're going to unbox, set up, and review the Uvex Bionic Face Shield. And we're going to unbox it right now. Here is what the box looks like, and it has lots of information about the shield, about why it has superior protection, ultimate comfort, and designed to protect. Let's check out what it comes with. So here's the Uvex Bionic Shield. I think it looks pretty awesome. However, mine came with unnecessary dirt. What's up with that? Anyways, let's put this aside and see what else it comes with. This bag right here comes with instructions on how to put it all together. But of course, we will show you how to install it and not read it to you. Let's open it up. So this is the part that connects to the Bionic Shield and to your head. It has knobs and other adjustments that we will learn about soon. For now, just know that this is all it comes with when you purchase it.
Alright guys, so now we're going to install our Bionic Shield. So this is the visor here. All you're gonna do, guys, make sure to please take out the front and then the back plastic coverage. So we'll start right here. So I start here on the side. And kind of like help your hands, guys, because this is very fragile and you don't want to break it. So once it's out, then you start here on the side. Okay, now we're gonna get the plastic. Make sure to peel it to make sure you take this out. There's also one front, and then we're gonna do the back part. There we go. It will look like that. So now we're going to place it back again. So you start here, guys. There is like a slot there to put the brown circle. So all you do is put it in, shove it in, and then insert it. And then make sure they're in. And then you can just like help your visor in first here on the top. It's gonna like make it fold a little bit like that. This is inside the slot, as you can see there. Make sure it's in. And then you're gonna put this corner here, right here. There, I'm putting inside and just helping the visor to be in. Then we're gonna do the same on the other side. Help to curve it and put it inside like that. And there you go. Alright guys, so those of you are asking right now if you can wear glasses inside this. Let's check. So we're gonna wear this Chanel glasses. By the way guys, if you need to open it, you need to adjust it here. Okay. There you go guys. I look like Baywatch model. So it's comfortable, so good. Next, we're gonna wear the manly glasses. I look like I will gonna do a shooting. So that's comfortable, guys. Okay. Next, I'm gonna wear this one. It's gonna like tinted glasses. So let's see if I can still able to see. So just this, guys, is already kind of like blurry. So let's see with the visor if I can still see. Still cool. I can still able to see. Can you wear prescription glasses? Let's try. There you go! And the answer is correct. Yes. Since we're in America, rock and roll, man! So guys, this is kind of like hard. Because this is freaking big. So maybe just put it there so you look fashionista. And this one, this is 2001. Let's get ready. Happy New Year. So anything glasses, guys, that has the sign, it's gonna hit. So you cannot wear anything that has the sign. Do goggles fit safely? Goggles, please. You can wear goggles. Can you wear this with this? What's this, guys? Can you comment what's the name of this?
Headlamp.
Headlamp! So this first. So we're gonna put the lights now, guys. Where are the treasures? So yes, guys, you can wear it. You just have to adjust it. And my technique, guys, is I place it here under the book, because if you do that, it will gonna go up and up and up, and it will gonna drop. So what I did is I put it under here and then under here, and just gonna like adjust this and reposition and adjust it back. So the answer is yes. All right, those of you guys are asking a question, how heavy is this one? It's gonna like wearing a hat, but with a little bit of weight. It's not too heavy, guys. It's very light. It's kind of like wearing a bike helmet.
Is it heavier than that box?
Let's test. Is this heavier than the box? Let's test it. Yeah, it's kind of like wearing a box in your head, guys. Seriously, it's like this. It's very light. All right, guys, I know your next question already. This will protect your face in the wind. So let's test it right now. I need the wind. Abracadabra, wind, please. So I'm gonna use this electric fan, guys. And you just want to put it a very, 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 very high. And look, guys, I'll put my hair to let you know that it's really windy.
Ooh.
Alright, guys, here you go. I'm gonna put it right now. The air is going this. I cannot feel any air here, but a little bit in here. But if I put it down my head more, I cannot feel any air, except a little bit here in my ears. But if I do like this, then I can feel the air is coming here. Let's test it. Let's put my hair in front. Let's see if it will gonna fly. And now I'm gonna put the wind shield. Of course, it will gonna move because my hair is long. But if you put it inside, see, it's not really it's not moving. If I do like this, it's really locked. But the side, you can see my hair is flying. Look. Alright, guys, I know you have a question for those who are dentists, if you can wear this. Alright, let's test this, guys. So I'm a dentist, you are the patient. Let's test the durability, if it's really can cover the saliva and then the air that I'm gonna pop towards his face. So I will not gonna wear any mask. So of course we need props. So dentists use this one. Or pretend we're gonna pull your mouth. I mean your teeth. Say ah. Man, you have a lot of tartar, man. And you need to brush your mouth. And you need to tell me if you can smell my breath as a dentist. Can you smell? Can you smell my mouth? Ha! Ha!
No.
Can you smell it? Is it stinky? Or I need to brush my mouth more.
Keep talking.
Is it stinky?
Is there a hole in the shield?
Okay, let's test it. Let's see. Let's pretend he's mad at me. And he'll throw me a water. Let's see if it's gonna go in my face. Do it right now. Oh my gosh, my panties wet in my bra! Woo!
But is your face wet? That's what matters.
Let's test. Ta-da! My face is totally not wet. So the water will not gonna go inside your face. It's only outside.
Well, that was fun.
That's not fun, guys, because I have to change my panty and my bra, and I'll punch my husband right now because he wet me.
Punch Braxton.
And you guys better wear this, guys, because right now it's COVID, guys. Don't mind what people gonna say about your helmet. It's better to be safe than sorry. Wear mask, wear shield. You see that? Didn't splash anything in my face. So if someone will sneeze at you, will cough at you, will spit at you, nobody will gonna put inside your eyes and your nose. It's better to be safe.
Alright guys, so I'm here in the car. I have this shield protector that I bought. Alright guys, so here I am, I'm wearing the regular shield, and I'm here at Costco right there. You see that? That's Costco right there. I want to go in the freezer and check how this shield works, if it fogs up or not. Alright, so I'm gonna go in right now. Ooh, it is cold in here. As you see, it starts to fog up a little bit. Alright, so I'm breathing the same air. No fog. I'm opening up my mask too. Quick question, you guys. Is this face shield right for you? What do you like or not like about it? Let us know your thoughts and opinions by typing them in the comment section below, and I'll respond back to you as soon as I can. Who is this item for? Pretty much almost everybody. Teachers, healthcare workers, or anyone that wants to protect their face from sneezes, airborne debris, and objects flying in their face will like this face shield. People that are always in close proximity to other people will feel protected from this face shield. It's also great for people that want to replace the average face shield that easily fog up, because as you saw earlier, this shield doesn't fog up. And it's good for people that need to wear glasses all the time. They won't have any problem using this shield. Who is this item not for? People that play paintball or any aggressive sport while wearing this face shield. It's also not for people that are embarrassed to look like an astronaut in public. In my opinion, this shield is awesome. It's lightweight and it protects my whole entire face, including my chin and the sides of my face. In addition to that, I personally think the face shield makes me look cool. Do you guys want more information about this shield, or would you like to purchase one for yourself? If yes, check out the description section below. It has tons of information that may be useful to you. Last thing, check out these other clips that are similar and related to this video to the right of your screen. Until then, I will see you at the next item.